Hey everyone, it's your pink bag lady, Amy Pinkston, and it is May and I have something big to share with you. It is amazing. So let me tell you what you can get this month for $1, just $1 at 31. You are going to flip. It is unbelievable. So we have an incentive that started yesterday, and it is an enrollment incentive. You can join 31 this month from May 1st to 31st for only $1. Now, you will not get a product kit for the $1, but let me tell you what you will get. You will get access immediately to tools and training on 31. And if you sign up with me, you're gonna get access to me, and I'm gonna help you quickly get off to a strong start and hit this next part of our little incentive. So not only are you going to get training and tools immediately, you're also gonna get 3 months of your paid website subscription for free. So 31 is gonna give you your paid website for free for May, June, and July. I mean, that's a $16.95 deal each month right there. But the best part of this entire deal is that you can unlock a free kit. Yes, you can unlock a free kit. So with my help, I will help you get started off great with your launch party, where you will get the hostess rewards. You will get the commission. You'll get a 25% commission on everything that you sell. And when that party in your first 30 days hits $500, you're going to unlock the Basic Bestsellers Kit, a $272 kit for free. Yes, but wait, it gets better. If your party or you sell in your first 30 days $1,000, you're going to get and unlock our Signature Fan Favorites Kit that's valued at $448 for free. Yes, but even better, if you sell $2,000, which I can tell you is 100% possible, I did it in my first month 9 years ago, you will unlock the Ultimate Goal Getters Kit, our $179 kit. That's what it normally costs you, that has a value of $800 in products. You will get that for free. All for your $1, y'all. All for your $1. So you are going to get 3 months paid subscription, your commission 25%. When we do your launch party, you're gonna get the hostess rewards. You're also gonna get rewarded through our Jumpstart program, which is our program that helps new consultants get off to a great start. You're gonna earn a free product when you hit $300 in sales, a free product when you hit $500 in sales, and then if you hit that $1,000 and $2,000, you're gonna get another 2 products. So you have just unbelievable, limitless perks that you can get this month that are all unlocked with $1. So if you've ever thought about joining 31, if you've ever thought, hey, this is something I think I might want to do, right now is a great time because we have all the graduations and the baby showers and the wedding showers and all the things coming up. So people are buying gifts, and our new summer collection just launched. It is bananas, truly bananas. We have bananas, we have sloths, we have strawberries, we have so many cute new prints. So be sure and watch that video if you want to see what our summer collection holds. But you guys, this More to Love $1 enrollment deal for the month of May is amazing. I would love to have you join my team. I would love to help you and host your launch party so that you can unlock one of the 3 kits and get that kit for just $1, plus your commission, plus your hostess rewards, plus your Jumpstart, just so many things. So who is ready to take $1, make a leap of faith, and see what all you can unlock with that $1? I can't wait to help you. If you have questions, please feel free to reach out. All of my contact information is below. You can email me, text me, call me, comment below underneath this video. There's plenty of ways to get in touch with me, and I'd love to talk to you about this amazing deal. All right, if you liked this video, please give me a like, and if you have not subscribed, please do. And as always, if you do not have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your pink bag lady. I would even more love to be your teammate and have you join this 31 sisterhood.